Yo, my guys, my warriors, my kings, we finna sexually transmute this energy. We're going through a root chakra meditation. So root chakra, do the mudra, have your index finger, you feel me? Connect with your thumbs. You can have it like this, you feel me? Eyes open or eyes closed, however you want to do it. We're going to do it for 3 minutes. And then we're going to move on to the sacral chakra and do that for 3 minutes, all right? All right, so I look high as hell, funny as hell. All right, sacral chakra is next. For the sacral chakra, you want to place your hands above each other like this, and you want to connect. You know what I'm saying? My hand's pretty long, so however you can get it done, my nigga, do it your way. You feel me? Get it done. You don't gotta be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you're doing it like this, and it's your thumbs is connecting, bro. You feel me? This is your sacral chakra, so this is down in that area, bro. You feel me? We're gonna do. I might make a separate video. Let me see if I got. Hold on. Let me see.